What you got on? Come here. Let me see what you doing. Let me. Hugh Kyle makes she hungry. What you wearing? What you wearing? You gotta. Oh, you showing up that neat little waist and your big old leg. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's how you got the little tiny waist. Oh, I see. My goodness. Hello. That's what happens here. I've been editing, minding my business, and she walk in like this. What am I supposed to do? Y'all ready to get out the Matrix?
Get over here!
Come on. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel LG. I guess I'm tricking y'all. Say tricking. Yeah. How much this dress cost? This looks like the one in the picture. How much?
This are 150.
150 baht? Another $4 dress, y'all. Just showing you all this tricking we got going on out here. Let me see what you look at. Let me do a little spin around. Let me see what you look like in your little $4 dress. Oh, I see. Okay, you look beautiful today, baby.
Beautiful, I know makeup,
Yeah, I mean, because it's natural. It's original. Thai people say original when everything is it's original. You're original Thai lady. You little Thai toes? You get your little Thai toes done? Original. Phone It's raining out there again? I didn't even look. I got my head over in here. Doing work trying to get this next episode in. You come in here wearing this. This is why I can't get my episodes out. I should just make this an episode. I think I will. It's gonna be the L episode. Another $4 dress episode, y'all. Let me see. It's gonna be a YouTube short. That's what they say. They call them YouTube shorts. I'm gonna make you do the YouTube shorts in the $4 dress. Let me see. Turn around. Let me see. Oh shit! Is that really your waist? Is it that small? That thing must be sucking it in. Your stuff ain't that small. You got that's some Kim Kardashian shit right there. I mean, you ain't got the back like Kardashian, but you do got the tiny waist. Wait, let me see the waist. Let me see if that's real. We need to see this. People be thinking I'm out here playing games. Play game meaning they think, me Goho. Goho means liar. They think it cannot be. This is not real. It cannot be. They be calling me all kind of names. I'm a passport bro. I'm a red pill. I'm all these different things. That's what I say. I don't know what it is, but hey, if it's good, I'm that. Paleo. What's paleo? I don't know that one.
Paleo 10 stop.
Oh, stop. Okay. You want me to stop? She want me to stop. So what? You ain't made me no grits today.
No, you have food.
Oh yeah, I do. I'm from last night. Yeah.
You have food, I cannot make food for you. If I make, you cannot eat.
Okay, I got you.
If you have food, I cannot make. If you don't have, okay, I make.
Don't have? I like the way she say don't have. Not to say don't have.
You want to eat now, I want.
I'm not really that hungry.
No, you're hungry. You tell me in room, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you work.
Okay, thank you, baby. I'm gonna get back to work. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. I shall watch this. I love to do this.
You hungry? You tell me. Alright,
I'll let you know if I'm hungry. Watch this. I'll let you know if I'm hungry. Oh, I thought she was going in the room. I was about to chase her ass in there. There she go. Let's go get it. Oh, you think I do not see? You think I do not see? Oh, you didn't see? Oh, shit. Let me see. Come on in here, girl. Where you going? Where you going with your pretty cocktail? You make what? What you making?
Make dress.
Make dress? What you mean make dress?
I don't know English.
You don't know English. What's this on your hair? You got a weave? Let me see. Is this a weave? Is that a weave?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
I don't do weave. You know I don't do weave.
Try.
Cannot do weave.
You know what?
Everything original?
Check.
Alright. Original, huh?
No bow chalk, no filler.
No bow ties. You sure? Let me see them lips. Let me see your lips. You got them thick lips. Ooh.
My.
Damn. Mine means no.
I don't make it.
I know you wearing no makeup. This is all natural. We understand.
No makeup today.
We understand natural. I like natural.
No makeup.
You know, you was about to get it. Lucky I gotta get back to work. You was about to get it. You was about to get it. You understand me? You understand me? I don't want to get in trouble with you too. So let me stop. Hey, oh. Bye. Bye means leave. Alright, no rain. It's no rain, baby. We can go for a walk. You want to go for a walk?
You cannot see the rain.
You cannot see. Thai people are like black people. When it rains, they don't like the rain, man. They get the hell up out the way. Why y'all like the rain? It ain't like it's gonna mess your hair up. Why y'all don't like rain? We got an excuse.
I don't like.
Why you don't like the rain, man? It rains
I don't like.
3 months out the year. It rains damn near every day. You should mean you don't like? You should be used to it. You're not used to the
Go
rain?
outside. Not good, you know.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I know, because they can't do all their business and sell all their stuff. I get it. Alright, y'all, I gotta get back to this episode, man, but just wanted to give y'all something. They say you should post something every day. So yeah, that's in case we stay on top of shit, you know what I mean? In case the goofies wanna come say hello, I'll be right here waiting on you. You did. So y'all know what I'm about to say, man. Y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to get back to work. I'm doing this thing called the Matrix Challenge because it's a lot of people. That's the cover for Zoom. It's a lot of people that like got stuff to say about, you know, people that I guess have passports. So I got a Matrix Challenge for y'all, man. My Matrix Challenge. Anybody criticizing my life versus your life. We're gonna see what your life looks like in a day. Let's see what my life looks like in a day. And then we'll see, you know, who's capping and who's for real. Because according to y'all, I'm not showing brothers a better deal. Check it out, man. Matrix Challenge, man. If you think you can show me and YouTube a better way, we need to see it. So put up or shut up. And this ain't a slight towards people who can't afford to travel or anything like that. This is for the ones who claim to have the answers living inside the Matrix. The ones who don't want you leaving the plantation.
Django here is a Freeman. This damn, that nigga there. Steven, this here's Django. You two ought to hate each other.
I'm from the Show Me State. And speaking of the Show Me State, make sure you guys join the Zoom Patreon for the Zoom After Dark clips. I need to see, and we need to see, if you can support your claims with facts. If you're really about that life you propose, or you on some Milli Vanilli-ish.
Girl, you know it's true.
Real talk. I personally don't think y'all can beat what I got out here versus what you're up against in the Matrix in terms of cost of living, stress, healthcare, the fit, the feminine, the friendly. I mean, we really need to see. Because while I'm out here in Thailand trying to encourage and uplift people and set an example how you don't have to settle for the BS and somehow that's a problem, y'all shooting shots, you know, at people enjoying their lives, minding their business. Well, I got the Matrix Challenge. Let us see what you got, unless you hate your life, your woman, your crib, and your peace of mind. And most important, your passport. Because if you ain't got one, you're quarterbacking from your mama's basement, dog. Who gonna pull up? Matrix Challenge. Slick comments don't count, keyboard warriors. Don't hide behind the computer now. Answer the Matrix Challenge. The whole world is watching. Shout out to International Zoe, Barber World TV. Shout out to Andre at Love Crossing Borders TV. Shout out to Tailor Made Dreams. Shout out to Chocolate Man in Thailand. And shout out to the Angry Man. Make sure to subscribe to their channels too. And with that being said, I only have 2 more words. Zoom Tribe, I need you to say it with me. Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand. Hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy another day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
I'm not trying to sound disparaging or have any of those negative connotations, but I have a Matrix challenge. Because a lot of people in the Matrix, they got something to say about other people's lifestyle that ain't bothering them. So I challenge you, the Matrix challenge. Who in the West can live this kind of life with no problems asked, no drama, no BS, just enjoy their life? Who accepts my challenge? I'll be waiting. Noodle say Matrix challenge.
Matrix challenge.
Yeah.